Hey, I'm making a new video today, and today we're working with potentiometers. A potentiometer what? We're about to find out. This is a potentiometer. They're like adjustable resistors. The potentiometer has 3 wires. The 2 edge ones give out resisted amounts of electricity depending on how much you have turned it, the potentiometer. And the one in the middle is where you give the electricity to. Let's take a closer look. Alright, let's take a potentiometer. So it has 3 pins. Okay? We'll call this pin right here R1. We'll call this pin right here R2. So let's draw a picture, a diagram of a potentiometer. Here's a diagram. So we have R1. So this is R1. This is where it gets the electricity, and this is R2. And then this is R2, and then this is the knob. Alright, so if we have 2 LEDs, and we bring the wires to the LED, R1 and R2 to the LEDs, like that. So if we put the potentiometer right here, and we turn the knob all the way to this side, then this light will be all the way on, and this light would be barely on. Now vice versa for the other side, so if we turn it all the way to the other side, this light would be all the way on, and this light would be barely on. In the middle, they both have the same brightness. Make sense? Alright, let's do this in a project now. For this project, you're going to need a potentiometer, jumper wires, a breadboard, and 2 LEDs, preferably 2 different colors. Alright, so let's get started. So let's take out our breadboard, and let's get started. So first, we're just going to put in our potentiometer. Like that. Now we're going to put in both of our LEDs. Depending on the potentiometer you're using, you may need to use resistors before you hook it up to the LEDs, or the LEDs might burn out. Like that. Now, we're going to take our wires, just take a few out. Alright. Take the middle wire of your potentiometer and put it in the positive rail. Take both the negative parts of the LEDs and put them in the negative rails. Alright, so there we go. Now we just got to get our Arduino. So, alright, so now we got to hook up our negative rail up to ground. And our positive rail to 5 volts. Alright, that should be it for this project. Now, let's power it on. And plug it into your computer. And there we go. Yes, I did change my LEDs because these LEDs were actually LEDs that did not work. So, there's the side. Alright. So you can see, like I explained before, that's how it works. The voltage changes on the amount of electricity you give to each side by turning the knob. Alright, I hope you liked my video. Hope that you learned from it. There will be no coding for this video. And like and subscribe. And have a good day.